it's getting a little late now. Sun's gone down. It's pretty cloudy out west here, so we're probably going to be heading back pretty soon. Took the car up choke a few times, and we tried out low boost, which I believe is around 10, and then I think mid boost is around maybe 12 or 13, and I think high boost is set for 15, I believe 14, 15 in this kit currently with E85. It's been working pretty darn good. We haven't tried up the hill and the high boost, mainly because we're kind of having to swap out our tires here. We had a gouge in kind of one of our paddles are coming off already somehow on our Packard tires, so we decided to throw on Ren's massive tires here, which are not even comp cut, they're just call them play cut, number 3 paddles, and they're the Lightnings, so they're pretty heavy. You can see in the video that I'm throwing a lot of sand. A mile an hour, we got high 50s. It's pretty fast. I'd say, you know, if you're going to be rocking this kit, you're going to be very, very pleased with the E85 and the standalone ECU. Yeah, so I did talk to Ren. Ren's kind of gave me some information to kind of talk about with this turbo. So at the end of the day, we have a 58 trim turbo compared to a 48 that you'd get in the economy kit. So it's a pretty big jump when you jump up to this turbo here. We're not too sure how far this turbo can go, but it definitely sounds incredible. It makes a lot of turbo noises. It spools very quick, like I mentioned before. Things that are changed on the kit are just making the kit look a little bit cleaner. So it changes up some lines, some hoses, where things mount and so forth. Overall, just putting a bit more R&D into the kit, and coming out with some better placements for things. So at the end of the day, you're still rocking the same Duner intercooler, so it's a larger intercooler that you're getting, and yeah, that's kind of it. So we're going to try this out a little later on, maybe in a week, maybe not. High boost would definitely be a lot of fun to try out, but I tell you, this thing in just the low boost and mid boost is fast. It's very fun. It definitely gets you out of trouble. Definitely does everything you need it to. And yeah, as you can see, it is fast. It looks fast. It goes up the hill pretty damn quick. So next, this car is going to get the engine torn out of it, and it's going to get built. So then at that point, you can kind of see what our speeds are going to be like with the, I think we're going to do 12, 16, and 22 pounds of boost, or we might stop at 20. I don't know. Maybe it's something like that, but Ren's got a plan, we got a plan, and we'll get it all dialed in. So if you have any questions, you can always follow Ren Walker on Facebook. He posts up what he does when he's working on cars, even my own car. So you can definitely ask him questions about the IBEXX turbo kit, and yeah, that's kind of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good night.